The new coil packs are in. We got the laptop ready to log it, data log this thing. New wires and new spark plugs gapped at 22. So we're gonna go fill up some E85, and then we're gonna go to a desolate, safe road, and we're gonna hit the throttle in Mexico. So as everything is running, all the gauges are on. The car's running good. All the gauges are on. The car's running good. So cross your fingers that it doesn't go pop. Alright, we're at the E85 station. Look at this bad boy. This thing is a beauty. Gotta admit, I love that black. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it black, but I love it. But check this out, guys. Look at the price of E85 over here. Back of it. Look at that. Yeah, $329. I never thought I would see a $329 day, but we're back. It's almost, I think the cheapest I seen it was like $299 maybe, so we're close. Okay, so I just put a full tank of E85, 14 gallons, E85 in this beast, so hopefully we catch some traction. I got the big meats on it. They still got like 50% tread life, so wish us luck. We're gonna film it and we're gonna run it. We're gonna see how it performs. Well, I'll do a second and third gear, then I'll do a all third gear highway pull. See what happens. All right, let's go. Full to the top. We're recording. So we're in third gear, 2,000 RPM. I'm just gonna hit it. All right, 36, 37 miles an hour. Ready?
Yes. Ready?
Go. Vibration there. Let's take it off.
And my heart pumped.
I think we only hit, that was third gear. I let off. We only hit. I gotta look at the video.
Check it out. Ooh, that was scary, babe.
Huh?
That was scary. Ooh, wait.
Alright. Pause it. Check out the car. Make sure it doesn't. stretch.
Oh, my knees are about to drop.
Are you okay, babe?
Oh my god, man.
Oh, man. Okay.
Wait,
Ready?
Yes.
Second gear. Let's go. Vibration somewhere back there.
Oh my god. Oh my lord.
Woo, my seatbelt
Yes.
is squeezing the shit out of me
Oh
right
my
now.
god. That was. Whew.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That was some powerful
Let's
shit.
pause this. Let's pause it. Let's pull over.
Yes, we go. I pulled it off.
Okay, ready?
Secure, right?
Here, you ready?
Oh my god, man. That's even scary too.
What? That
Oh
was
my god.
like you like? Nice.
I wonder if it took it.
Alright.
Hope it took it.
Alright guys, we're pulled over here at the gas station. I'm having a problem logging the damn files in, so I think we're gonna call it a day. She held on, she stayed together. Got super sideways in one of the gears. What was it? In third gear, because I launched it in first gear. But we're gonna just call it a day till I can get a hold of Jason and he can send me the correct logging format that I need to actually be able to send him a correct file, because the way I'm logging it right now, it only has like a few details in it. It doesn't have everything that Jason's log file detailed. So we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna head home and then we're gonna pick this up tomorrow. But otherwise than that, it ran good. The only things that I felt that were wrong was I think I'm getting a bad vibration from my tire or the freaking drive shaft. So I really hope it's just the tire. So I mean, you can see it's a 30 by 30.5 tall tire. If that's too tall, then I'm gonna have to just go with a 315/50 series. So that's a 55, so they're super tall. Yeah, super tall tires. So gonna check into that first, check the balancing and all that stuff on that tire and make sure that everything is cool. But it ran like a beast. I tried that first, second, third gear stuff and that thing freaking almost threw us into the bushes. So probably have to dial in some traction bars in the back or something. But until then, we got to get this thing all dialed in with Jason for the street tune and make sure that the car is doing what it's supposed to do. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Let's see if we can get some lit up area. I'll do a little quick end video thing.
Okay, babe.
So this is done.
Say hi, babe.
Oh, hey, how you guys doing?
What did you just do, babe? Huh?
We just did some death-defying shit on the highway. We're getting a vibration at 120, so we need to address the vibration. But the car's running like a straight-up beast. Besides the vibration, I mean, everything else feels great.
Definitely a
get
fast
it.
car.
Oh,
Definitely
yes.
a fast car.
Yeah, for sure. It's a different, whole nother ball game. The Vet's fast, but this thing is monstrosity.
Yes. Oh my God.
So let's go do a quick pull.
All these gadgets.